My name is Kory. I'm in 11th grade, and I work at this restaurant. And there's a reason why, because I chose this recipe just because I like searing the steaks. I just learned how to, and I'm going to pursue my life in culinary. And actually, next semester, I'm going to go into ATS and take their culinary program to learn more. So I'm making Korean spicy mayonnaise, and I don't think it's ready to flip yet, but we can take a look and see what we're looking at here. It's a little brown, but it's starting to work its way up there.
Okay.
So it's not ready yet. So it's gonna take a couple more minutes before that, and then I'm gonna test it with my fingers, and I'm gonna do the final test with the thermometer.
Like a meat mess. So how do you like your steak, Kory? Oh, 140. I'd say that's medium.
That's a good medium right there. Let's take off that heat.
Yeah.
Oh, wrong one. All right, let it rest for 5 minutes. All right. So now that I have flipped it, I've got a beautiful edge crust and working on a good, like, flat crust.
Show me that edge crust real quick.
Okay, so this edge crust right here, if you can see it, you can feel the tension against it. It's a good fry.
Okay.
And so now, look at that. Beautiful, turned around, got this beautiful thing. So now I'm going to flip it on its side here. So to flip the sides, so it kind of keeps it consistent and it keeps it warm on side and in the middle. And so this steak that Miss Husky got us was a New York strip, and I have also more prepped out for you guys. And so this New York strip was a little thick in my kind. I would have definitely went with a ribeye, but we all know that's a little expensive. So I went with this. Well, she picked out the sirloin, where I get the New York strip, and so now we got that nice edge crust there as well. And we're working on the other half here. Now that the steak is rested for a few minutes here, I've got a perfect crust. And so now we're going to cut it. And that's what we're looking at here. Real nice. And then
Looks tasty.
and so now we're going to slice that up a little bit. And maybe we'll cut it into a little bit of cube here. Here's some of these wheat sesame seeds here. Not a lot. Just a little bit of that. And so that's what we're looking at here for our final presentation.
You'll laugh. Okay.
Thank you for watching.
Turn to page